Ready to unlock a world of high-end freelance opportunities? First, head over to the Toptal website and find the section that allows you to apply as a freelancer, usually by clicking a button like Apply or Join. Upon entering the application page, you'll find the spot where you can upload your resume. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Click the Upload button. Pay close attention to the system's accepted file formats. Usually PDF and DOCS are best to maintain your resume's formatting. Optimize your resume for Toptal. Be sure it showcases your most relevant skills and professional achievements clearly. Use concise descriptions and use bullet points to highlight accomplishments. Focus on quantifiable results whenever possible. Show, don't just tell, your impact. Does the site offer fields beyond just the resume upload? If it does, be sure any supplementary fields are entered using the same information as your resume. To boost your chances of success, weave your resume into your portfolio. Be sure to focus on displaying your projects, technologies, and experiences. After you've uploaded and reviewed your file, navigate to Submit and save your resume. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting noticed by Toptal's clients and kicking off your freelance journey. Good luck.